Hello and welcome. My name is Ashutosh Vyas. May I ask you a question? Did you know there are over 1.8 billion internet connected computers all around the world? And there are more than 5 billion mobile users in whole world. 80% of population in the world has internet or mobile phone access. If you want more traffic, more leads and more customer for your website, you need to be on Google's first page, and you should know the best cutting edge internet marketing strategies, tools and techniques to bring traffic on your website, so that from your website only you will make your own enough leads for you and for your own team. Let me tell you, the kind of leads you generate from your own would be highest quality. Once you will create your own funnel, you will never waste your money to advertise anywhere else and buy leads from outside. Exactly here I comes into a picture. Who am I? I'm a professional internet marketer. It's been almost 1.5 years I'm learning and applying internet marketing. I have learned not from the MBA college, where even teacher doesn't know what they are teaching, but from today's top internet marketers who have made millions themselves on internet through books, through their courses, even the live appointments. The science of internet marketing. These are few of my websites which are really running good on my niche. So do you think that whatever I have learned, I can offer you pretty good offers? I've invested thousands of dollars on e-courses and books. On the way, I have found that it's not that difficult if you have right tools and technology. If I would have known what right now I know, I would have not do so many things in hard way. I want to offer you the same. I want to share the same with you. And if there is one who can guide you through the process, it's really easy to make money online and bring traffic on your websites. Here are a few cuttings from my websites and the back office. What I'm working on. These are my few websites. What you can see over here, and you'll see the impression. And these are the unique visitors, and the conversion you can see, and there are few more. So you'll see around 10% of the conversion what I got, and this kind of traffic was there on my website. And let me tell you, I just used one of the techniques what I know, and it's not more than say around 1.5 month of the traffic, and that too just one particular technique. If I use the different techniques what I have used in different websites, it's really big. My intention of this program is not only offer you the best cutting edge and simple online tools and techniques, but show you how easily you can apply and combine with offline marketing, so that you will increase your profit and decrease your expenses on advertisement. And here you can increase your profit margin by 2 to 7 times in coming weeks easily. Not only that, through this process you and your team can become authority front of your prospects. And it's a rule of thumb, whose authority leads the decision, isn't it? Now these all things happened once you'll apply whatever simple process and step what I'm going to teach you. So fill out your information below, and you will get the instant access of my next video, where I'm going to share how exactly you can create solid presence on internet in any niche you want to in any niche you are in right now, and attract not only traffic but create loyal customer for you. Fill out the form below, and I'm sure what you're going to see inside, you're gonna love it. Thank you.